The following is paid for by the People's National Party.
Judith, you know, say me like the plans of the PNP after this election, girl. What you think?
Girl, babe, my friend, me say me see it, I me no like it, me love it. Cause all my sister Sandra and over when I pitney them a get up on them bus here for go to school every day.
That them call ride.
All one meal a day time.
That them call ease.
Girl, but you sound like how you write it, man.
Me dear.
So what you like it, right?
Well, me tell you what me like. You see, like how me do whole heap of overtime at work, the PNP said no tax. And that me want hear.
Girl, more money in your pocket. That sound like time come.
Long time, I don't know one payment go me love.
Past him lunchtime.
Hear me saying it again. Time come. Be a better Jamaica. Time come. Secure your future.
The proceeding was paid for by the People's National Party.
Set the people free. Be a better Jamaica.